Welcome to Australian Muscle Car Sales TV. Today I have the pleasure to show you a beautiful car for sale. It's a 1968 Ford Mustang. This was optioned with Sport Spirit pack, which is this little vent down the side, the stripe, quad exhaust, probably, and these stripes on the bonnet. It's running a 289 with a Edelbrock E Street top end, Holley 600 carby, and it has also got factory air conditioning, which is beautiful and cold, and it also has power steering. So a really lovely car. Great note out of the exhaust. Can we give it a bit of a rev? There you go. Very nice. And yeah, it's got the Magnum wheels on it with Goodrich BF Goodrich tyres. Very nice car. Black vinyl roof as well. So yeah, it's very nice example. There'll be a lot of photos and details on the Australian Muscle Car website. If you have any questions, please feel free to call Mike Selby or Nicholas in the showroom. Thank you very much for watching Australian Muscle Car TV.